Hey there, it's Dr. George Forgan-Smith, and I just wanted to give some tips on looking after your tattoo in the first few hours after you've had the tattoo done. What I like to do is that, when I leave the tattoo studio, I've usually got the antibacterial cream on the tattoo as well as a dressing over it. My tattooist uses cling film, which is very good because it helps cover and stop bacteria from getting in there, but you can still see the tattoo, which is kind of cool as well. In those first few hours, the most important thing is keep the dressing on. You need to keep it on there for about 3 to 4 hours. After that time, what I will do is I'll gently remove the dressing and then hop into a warm shower, as hot as you can, and I like to very carefully clean the wound and to make sure that I've cleared away all of the cream that's on there, as well as any blood residue that's on there. You can use an antibacterial soap and rub it in gently with your fingers to make sure that you can get rid of every little last speck of blood, because if there's blood left on the tattoo, that's an area that's going to scab over, which could mean that you lose the ink and the colour in that particular spot. After that, I use some fresh paper towels to gently pat dry the tattoo, and then I allow it to air dry for about half an hour. At that point, my personal preference is to use Aquaphor, and what I do is put a tiny amount on my finger and then very carefully rub it in, and then just do bit by bit by bit until the whole area has been covered with the Aquaphor. Not too much, but just enough that there's got a very slight shine to it, and then I will leave it open in the air for the rest of the day. Some people say to wear a t-shirt to bed that night, or pants if it's on your leg. What I've found is when I do that, the pants or the t-shirt gets stuck to the tattoo, and it's really very painful the next day to have to remove that. So I tend not to do that, but I try to avoid putting that particular area towards the bed or the sheet and just allow it to be up, so I'm not rolling on it and not getting stuck on the onto the sheets. And then after that, I just gently clean the tattoo with antibacterial soap, very, very gently, twice a day, and apply the Aquaphor ointment for 3 to 4 days after that. After about 3 to 4 days, or when it's just starting to peel, I will change to just a regular moisturiser like Vaseline Intensive Care, and I keep on doing that until the very last bit of peeling and scab has come off. Really, really important. Don't let the sun get anywhere near your tattoo. Don't put sun cream on the tattoo, because it's just going to totally stuff up the healing process. Whatever you do, just don't get it out into the sun for at least a month, 2 months after you've had the tattoo done. Don't have long soaking showers, long soaking baths, or go swimming in a pool, because it's just going to soften up the scab and it's going to end up being all mushy, yucky, and you're going to lose your ink. Yes, it's a pain in the ass to heal tattoos for the first week or two, but if you're very, very careful, you'll have a great looking tattoo that will be with you for the rest of your life, and that 1 week is 100% worth the effort that you put in.